4-axis CNC machining center for aluminum profiles. The equipment is mainly used for efficient milling, tapping, chamfering, engraving of aluminum profiles. The equipment is mainly composed of machine body, moving head, beam, tool system, control system, protection cover, and other parts. The mobile head is made of high-grade cast iron, and the accuracy is stable and reliable. Mobile mechanism using imported high-precision linear guide and high-precision ball screw to ensure the accuracy and stability of processing. Stable and high-precision bed body after aging treatment, reasonable structure design, convenient operation. Adopt advanced micro-lubrication system, improve the working environment more environmentally friendly. High-precision servo flip work table can complete the processing of any angle in 180 degrees. Using 12 kilowatt high-precision strong electric spindle, the speed can reach 24,000 revolutions per minute with extremely high processing efficiency. Multi-cutter positioning fixed direct line knife library can ensure the maximum automatic operation of complex programs, reduce tool management and manual intervention. Perfect control technology using Taiwan Syntec control system can control multiple axis groups at the same time with complete multi-axis control and multi-program application functions. Improve the flexibility of equipment to meet the needs of composite synchronous processing. Unique contour monitoring function. This function in the high-speed milling speed to ensure the machining accuracy. At the same time, to avoid the toolpath error under the high-speed machining, to ensure the smooth acceleration of the equipment. The system contains all kinds of door and window profile processing lock holes, slot holes, special holes, and other processing holes. Input size. The system automatically converts G-code, simple and efficient, easy to operate. Humanized safety protection function. Before the execution of processing, automatic start. Perfect protection of the safety of the operator. X, Y, Z axis 4-axis linkage motion processing. The coordinate axes of X, Y, and Z control the linear motion of the machine tool. Axis rotates according to the shape and position of the workpiece so that the angle of the tool is always consistent with the surface of the workpiece. The 4-axis linkage processing technology is suitable for the processing of parts of various shapes and aluminum alloy materials, especially the workpieces that need for complex surface processing. This machine has a wide range of applications, such as automobile manufacturing, aircraft blades, ship structural parts, medical devices, and so on. 4-axis linkage processing can make full use of the high-speed, high-precision, and high-rigidity characteristics of the CNC machining center to make the processing process more automatic and intelligent. Effectively improve the processing efficiency and save the processing time. The equipment can carry out multi-process integrated processing methods for chamfering, milling, drilling, and tapping. To avoid the conversion between equipment, greatly improve the production efficiency and reduce the auxiliary time.